How to copy link on Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy link in Shein app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you will need to take is, of course, open up your Shein app and make sure that you're logged into your account. You don't really need to get logged into your account just for this trick. What you can do is you can stay in the logged out page, and then you can browse for products. Now after you find a product, open it up, and then for link that you wish to copy, all you need to do is tap on this share icon on the top. Tap on it, and there you'll find an option called copy link. After you do that, you can head over wherever you want and then paste the link, so you can share that very product with your friends. So let me do that here. So now all you need to do is paste this and send it, and that is how you can copy a link in Shein app. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.